Hello, everyone, and welcome to our next XOAP live session, product update number 7. Once again with our CTO. Hi, Sinisha. How are you today?
Hi, Mario. Doing fine. Thank you.
A few organizational topics. Since the beginning of March, we have an online event every Friday at noon, in which we talk about everything to do with hybrid IT automation and technologies around that. It's an open table, it's a live talk, it's not a webinar. So join it and ask everything you need to know to our product engineers and get your update live at this point. Go to our website under events on XOAP. There you can see it. It's available at 12 p.m. Also, our next upcoming sessions are registered over there. And you will also see here more informations and session informations about the session of Sinisha at Madrid at the E2EVC. This session will be recorded and uploaded to our YouTube channel as usual. So stay up to date and subscribe to it. But for now, back to business, to the topic of this event, product updates, news and features. So Sinisha, it's your turn. What can we expect in today's session?
All right. Thank you very much for handing over.
I will extend your screen.
Thank you. That's what I was waiting for. All right. Today, a little change. So we are not in our productive demo environment. Today, we are in our development environment. So everything can happen. But just want to show a few things that we are currently working on that will be available shortly in the production accounts. And I will start with the area here where we also left off in the last update session. So we talked about tags being available, being integrated into application management. And I also said that we want to centralize the resources part that we have here in image management and here in config management. So actually, there is the first version of this thing. So I'm still doing some testing. But what you can see already here is we already also added an activity log to this area. So whenever somebody deletes something, uploads a resource or edits maybe the tags, this will be also written in the activity log. And what we've also done here is we slightly changed a little bit the way how we add resources. So basically you will have a stepper component and you can just then go here, click on upload, and then those resources will be visible in this below area. You're then free to delete them if you made a mistake or click on next. And here, for example, you have then an additional option to edit the details, give it a description, add some text to the resource, whatever you want to assign to it, and then go to upload it and add it actually to the resources. And those central resources here will then be available in the other modules. So you have only one place in the future where you manage everything that you need from background pictures to configuration files for FSLogix or whatever. And those will be usable throughout the modules. Also the additional modules that will be integrated in the future.
Okay, so that means also if a resource right now is assigned in image management and we combine this in a central location, what will happen with this assigned resources?
I didn't get exactly 100% your question. What do you mean?
We will centralize the resources, right?
Yes. Yep.
But right now the customer have image management resources assigned to image build process. Yeah. When we move it to a central location, what happened with this configuration?
We will migrate those resources, adjust the things so nothing will get lost. So
okay, that's what my question. Great. Thank you.
Okay. Another thing you will also get is, and that also counts towards your question, if you have resources defined somewhere and they are assigned, for example, to application management config or image management, then if you go to the details and, for example, want to delete this thing, you will get a notification and a list of things where this resource is assigned. So the actual chance that you delete something that's maybe used in image management is minimized, because we will also have like those links between the resources and where it's actually used. So you can then decide if you actually want to delete this resource, or if you need to adjust maybe a provisioner or a configuration to use something else, like another file. And you can also edit the resource content as in the past. So you get an editor where you can adjust the script, you can download it, and as usual, new feature here, also add tags and stuff like
that. One last thing for the community, the resources are just accessible through this dedicated workspace, right?
That's correct. So everything you do is always dedicated and just accessible through that specific, you have like this workspace ID. So everything you do in there is just available for you.
Mm-hmm.
And cool. The users you give access to, actually.
Definitely, yeah. True. Cool.
All right. What else have we got? So last week, last session, I think we also talked about filters. So we implemented here something like a quick search field where you can search for any string you have in your data table, just when you want to search for something quickly. And in addition to that, we added a much more advanced filter. So what you can do here is you can build like more complex search strings to get to the information you actually want to have when you have large data sets. And what you
cool. Simcha, could you maybe just zoom in one time in your browser?
Sure.
Yeah, that's great.
Let's do it twice.
That's much better. Yeah.
Okay, so you can filter for that stuff, apply that filter, you will get like an adjusted view, and then you can go further, use the description, maybe search for something like a contains, apply the filter again, and that's how you can actually build then your filtering based on those data tables. So this is currently something we have in resources, in tags, activity log, and application management. And as I said last time, and that was also a question from your side, when will this be available in the other modules? We are currently working on implementing this in configuration management, and will then head over to image management as well to have all those possibilities here. And you can see here currently 2 filters are applied. When I reset that, you're back to the default view.
Cool, very nice. Faster than expected.
Why?
No, that's nice. That's great. Yeah, that's great.
Okay, cool. It's very fast. That's true. Yeah. What else do we got? What we are currently working on is, again, image management. So last time we talked about provisioners, and we extended like the possibilities we have for PowerShell scripts and all that stuff around this topic. And now we are at the update of the builder configurations. So if you want to create an image, you could in the past choose like Azure Managed, Azure Gallery, AWS. So what I'm now going to talk about is Azure Managed and Azure Gallery, because that are the things that we're currently implementing. You have a shit ton, sorry for the wording, but more options now available to build your image templates on Azure. And that's something that hides behind this Show Advanced Options button. And if, for example, I go here to the custom data area, you can add a lot more stuff like user data scripts. So when the machine comes up, you can attach scripts that you have in your resources area, for example. You can add custom data files. You can define where the spots, if you want to use a spot image for building to reduce costs. So a lot more stuff where you can actually click yourself through and adjust the way where and how to build your image. So that's something that's available soon in the production environment for the Azure part of the builder configurations. And after that, we will focus on AWS and also getting Google Cloud ready. So you will have a lot more options to build your custom machine images on those cloud providers.
Very nice, cool. So that means a new platform in our cosmos, in our universe, beside Azure, AWS, it's also Google Cloud. Cool.
Yeah, that's true. Besides the preparations for the scripted actions that I think you mentioned already and is also visible on XOAP.io on the website, we will also add API tokens to the connection area, because that's one of the main things that we want to make available for everybody, that you can like run this new platform management scripted actions area also by triggering it from whatever system you're using outside via API. That's currently in integration, not in our actual dev environment where I could now show it. We are also working on parameters, so currently a lot of things are getting together, and we will soon see a very cool new platform management module here with a lot of capabilities, also a lot of things that we are already thinking about in the future. So you will be able to run Azure CLI commands, AWS CLI commands, PowerShell stuff. Git is integrated if you want to do something during script creation. And we will also provide a lot of templates to get you started with a few use cases, as we are always doing.
Yeah, I just shared my screen to go through the screenshots of scripted actions so that everybody can see it. But this is online, as Sinisha mentioned, on the website, as soon available for our XOAP users. So create your free account, and it will be also available in every created account from then. Yeah. Should I switch back to your screen, Sinisha, or are you done for now?
So that's actually for today. That's everything that I could show and tell you. So handing over back to you.
Okay, great. Yeah, thank you for the insights. Definitely pretty nice things coming in the next weeks. And we are looking definitely forward to it, especially to the scripted actions you mentioned before. So the XOAP community, go to the website, go to our product, select platform management, and there you can see the scripted actions, screenshots, and everything about it. And at the end of the website, you can register for more information about scripted actions and platform management. One last thing, I would like to highlight, check out our blog. There are a new blog post for an alternative for Azure Hybrid joining. It's a free module we are delivering for offline domain join. Read the article, download the script, and enjoy using it. That's it from my side. We wish you a successful week. Thank you all for watching. Thank you, Sinisha, for the insights, and see you soon.
See you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.